Welcome to Assam competitive exam and Gyandev. So, our previous session, common errors, etu etia aru continue kora hobo aji session in this video. Etu ami aru next further questions upra ami etu continue korim. So, let's begin. Yes. So, we are going to continue. Ami etu question upra start korim in this video. Okay. So, the news of his involvement in illegal activities have shocked everyone. So, এইটো questionত আমি wrong segment যিটো হ'ব সেইটো হ'ল have shocked everybody. Okay, have shocked. Have shocked everybody is the wrong segment. Now why? See, the news of his involvement in illegal activities. Now বহুতে হয়তো ভাবিব পাৰা যেহেতু illegal activities plural activities আছে so এই কাৰণে have shocked is the correct. Many might think okay বহুতে হেতু বস্তু মানে confuse হ'ব পাৰা but remember এইটো sentence যেটো main subject to whole the news. The news is the main subject. Again, the news আছে যেহেতু news s আছে যেহেতু এটো plural so এই কাৰণে have হ'ব বহুতে আকৌ হেতুটো confuse হ'ব পাৰা যেহেতু news আছে s আছে so এই কাৰণে এটো plural form হ'ব but words like news information বা তোমাৰ advice এনেকুৱা type words তোমাৰ মানে থাকিলে সেইবোৰ আমি English grammar সদায় singular noun হিচাপে consider কৰো okay news information advice এনেকুৱা type of words English grammar আমি সদায় singular noun consider কৰো আৰু singular nounৰ লগত we always use singular verb so the news এটো যেহেতু singular noun ইয়াৰে লগত singular verb হ'ব has but যেহেতু ইয়াতে have shocked everybody আছে so সেই কাৰণে তোমাৰ third segment to will be the third option will be the wrong segment okay etu tumar correct option okay now next question the strain caused by the difficulties and anxieties were more than she could bear option 1 the difficulties and anxieties 2 were more than 3 she could bear 4 the strain caused by now here see the strain caused by the difficulties and anxieties the difficulties and anxieties বহুতে again hey agor state question to dore বহুতে etu bhabibo para anxieties ase the difficulties and anxieties ase so etu tumar plural ase so he karone where is the correct form but no see main subject again ki hoy strain the strain is the core subject okay strain to tumar jitu sentence to tumar jitu core subject মানে main subject to whole তোমার strain আৰু strain to yet again strain to ইয়াতে তোমাৰ singular okay strain to again ইয়াতে তোমাৰ singular noun consider কৰা যায় আৰু singular nounৰ লগত we put the verb should be was okay so the strain caused by the difficulties and anxieties was more than she could bear এতে তোমাৰ strain টোৰ কথাহে তোমাৰ কোৱা গৈছে এটা strain টো কিহে cause কৰিছে the difficulties and anxieties এটো তোমাৰ extra information okay but the main subject is the strain to যেহেতু singular nounৰ লগত singular verb was were more than to তোমাৰ wrong segment okay next question the girl lay down on the bed besides her mother and went to sleep. Option 1 on the bed, 2 besides her mother, 3 the girl lay down, 4 and went to sleep. Yate tumar wrong segment hole besides the mother. Why? See, first of all, a first segment to swa bohuto etu bhabibo pare the girl lay down. Etu jehetu tumar past tense ase, a lay to tumar no etu this doesn't seem like past, right? But actually lie এটো তোমাৰ মিছা কথা কোৱা লাই টু নহয় লাই এজ ইন আমি যেতিয়া বিছনাত মানে পৰি দিও ওকে বিছনাত আমি পৰি দিও না হেতু লাই বুলি কও সো লাই টু তোমাৰ সিম্পল প্ৰেজেন্ট তাৰে পাস্ট ফর্ম হে তোমাৰ লে হয় ওকে সিম্পল পাস্ট তো এখানে তোমাৰ লে আছে দিস সেগমেন্ট ইজ দ্যাটস ওয়াই কারেক্ট ওকে গতিকে তোমাৰ এইটো সেগমেন্ট কারেক্ট হৈ আছে but here you see besides on the bed ঠিকে আছে বেডৰ ওপৰত on preposition ঠিকে আছে besides her mother ইয়াতে তোমাৰ কি wrong হৈছে ইয়াতে তোমাৰ wrong হৈছে the word besides now see b e s i d e s আৰু b e s i d e এই দুটা wordৰ মাজত there's a difference besides মানে হল additionally okay additionally or you know apart from this apart from এইটোৰ বাহিৰেও ইয়াৰ উপৰিও হেতু তোমাক ইয়াৰ উপৰিও এইটোৰ বাহিৰেও হেতু এই এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মানে কথা আমি besides ইউজ কৰো but beside মানে হল কাৰোবাৰ কাষত ওকে কাৰোবাৰ কাষত থিয় হৈ থকা কাৰোবাৰ কাষত হুৱা ওকে হেতুৰ হল beside besideৰ পিছত যেতিয়া আমি s লগাই দিও তেতিয়া হেতু besides হৈ যায় আৰু besides মানে হল যে she is a talented student besides this she is also a good singer okay তাই এটা বহুত talented student হয় তাৰ বাহিৰে মানে তাই পঢ়া শুনে ভাল তাৰ উপৰিও তাই এটা বহুত ভাল গায়িকা okay এজনী বহুত ভাল গায়িকা so besides to ইয়াৰ উপৰিও হেনেকুৱা বুজায় okay but এই যে sentence to context তে আছে যে ছোৱালীজনী মাকৰ কাষত হৈছে okay মাকৰ কাষত শুই গৈছে so কাষত হলে কি হয় এই যেটো s2 এই s2 নালাগে এটো beside হয় অকল beside okay next to somebody মানে বা next to someone beside মানে so here the wrong segment is besides her mother okay now before going further I would like to notify যে if কোনোবাই যদি GT Assam ADRE 3.0 then তোমাৰ Assam Forest 3.0 Assam Police Assam Forest এনেকুৱা exams মানে all kinds of government exams কাৰণে যদি কোনোবাই prepare কৰি আছা then you can apply applications start hoise so you guys can apply yete all kinds of materials study material tumar study notes live classes recorded classes mock tests everything are provided so kunuba jodi interested if any of you are interested in applying for government exams kunuba jodi government exam prepare kori asa then you guys can apply tumaluke apply koribo pariba and details will be given in the description link tate description dia ase contact number ase you can call aru further details tare pora lobo para thank you okay now next question he went to the bed with a slight fever okay so here you see he went to the bed with a slight fever yate tumar idiomatic problem ase okay idiomatic expression to faulty hoy now see this one to the bed to actually tumar wrong segment hoy now english grammar the idiom ase go to bed correct idiom to whole go to bed tate tumar article or ব্যবহার নহয় article sorry হ্যাঁ যেটো তোমার আর্টিকেল থাকে না দা আর্টিকেল or তোমার এই ইডিয়াম টু ব্যবহার নহয় এটো কারেক্ট ইডিয়াম তো আমি ইংলিশ গ্রামারত জেনেকৈ আমাক দিয়া থাকে আমি হেনেকৈ পুট কৰো তাতে আমি এক্সট্রা মডিফিকেশনস কৰিব নোৱাৰো ইয়া আমি অলপ টেন্স টু হলনি কৰিব পাৰো লাইক গো টু বেড টু went to bed হ'ব পাৰে বাট দা টু এড কৰিব নোৱাৰো we cannot put extra things okay so go to bed মানে হল কি শুবলৈ যোৱা to sleep okay to sleep so he went to bed hobo lage but ete to the bed ase ei the to put kora to eto grammatically incorrect consider kora hoy because eto idiom to te nai idiom to ami go to bed likhu go to the bed ne likhu okay so the wrong segment is to the bed all right so this is idiomatic expression to bhul then next is next question have you ever spoke to anyone about your problems have you ever spoke so eto tumar question hoy also eto tumar ki tense to ase present perfect tense ot ami ki koru jodi jitu have thake jitu verb thake auxiliary verb tar pisot present perfect tut ki hoy ami past participle put kori diu right? After have আমি past participle put কৰো but ইয়াতে যেটো main verb spoke to তোমাৰ simple past ত আছে spoke to তোমাৰ past participle or form হয় spoken but ইয়াতে তোমাৰ simple past হৈ আছে okay we know that present perfect কি কৰো আমি have known have gone have done past participle কৰি দিও ন but ইয়াতে তোমাৰ past participle ত নাই simple past আছে so ever spoke is the wrong segment okay so this is quite simple now next question the city turned out to be very different to what he had expected options 1 to be very 2 the city turned out 3 he had expected or 4 different to what now see a question to tumar comparison kora goise okay see the city turned out to be very different to what he had expected mane tar expectation kiba beleg asil and it turned out to be something else reality kiba beleg hol to reality aru expectation city tur bikhoye okay reality aru expectation hei duta ki hoy mane ki different pale okay comparison korise now jetia enoko type of jetia comparison not ami different word to use koru comparison আমি যে different word to use কৰো তেনে হলে different or পিছত সদায় preposition to আমাৰ from হয় and not to নহয় okay city খন যেনেকুৱা ভাবিছিলো তাতকৈ বহুত বেলেগ city খন okay expectation মানে কি হল the city turned out to be very different from what we had expected from হয় okay আমাৰ expectation কৈ city খন বহুত মানে বেলেগ okay turned out to be different just remember jetia ami comparison koru aru comparison type sentences or jetia different thake different edi ami comparison different word to use kori ami comparison to bujabo bisaru tetia different or pisot ami to nohoy always ami from likhu okay hodai ami from likhu after different but the to ase so yeah this will be the wrong segment different to what okay now next question you should avail this opportunity to demonstrate your skills 1 you should 2 your skills 3 avail this opportunity 4 to demonstrate this is something trickier different huh now see a sentence to a to word ase avail so ami aute koi disu wrong segment etu hoy option 3 huh now why see avail you should avail this opportunity avail to ami word to ami generally english grammar ot tetia use koru jetia ami jitu hey avail to ami mane we apply that to the subject okay subject to te ami apply koru okay aru avail to jetia avail this opportunity mane ki avail mane hol to take advantage okay kiba ta bostur advantage loa take advantage of this opportunity of ko no take advantage of so avail of okay avail of hoy avail ate direct this di dise of nai okay also avail or pisot ami ki koru jetia ami avail or pisot yes avail or logot of hoy but avail or pisot ami ki koru eta reflexive pronoun put koru reflexive pronoun mane hol jitu etu subject thake he subject tuk reflect korake ami eta pronoun put kori ite you reflect koribo ki hai yourself okay you tuk reflect kore yourself e heneke she reflect koribo herself যদি subject to she থাকে she should avail herself of hol hoy okay so avail word to thakile etur kisuman rules ase avail or pisot first of all ami reflexive pronoun eta put koribo lagibo ta mane avail yourself aru then oh sorry avail yourself aru tar pisot he of okay eta reflexive pronoun and tar pisot of that is the rule avail word tur pisot amane avail to e bujai heitur mane he word to applies to the subject itself kumba belegok nohoy not to the object but to the subject itself so subject ete you hoy etute apply hobo you should avail yourself of this opportunity mane you should take advantage of this opportunity okay advantage of ko no so avail mane hol advantage lua so avail, but কথাটো হ'ল যে avail wordটোৰ পিছত আমি এটা reflexive pronoun use কৰো. Remember this rule. After avail এটা reflexive pronoun আৰু pronounটো তোমাৰ subjectটোক reflect কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, এতিয়া ইয়াতে yourself লিখিছো because subjectটো you আছে. যদি subjectটোত she থাকি লয় বা কিবা ছোৱালীৰ নাম থাকি লয় তেতিয়া তাতে herself হ'ল হয়. Okay, আমি third person ধৰি কেনে কওঁ. যদি he থাকিল হয় himself হ'ল হয়. Okay, so the first person I, myself, like that. Okay, হেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ মানে reflexive pronoun. So subject to reflect কৰিব লাগে, হেকাৰণে reflexive pronoun কয়. Okay, so remember, avail or পিছত reflexive pronoun এটা put কৰিব লাগে and then off. But ইয়াতে যিহেতু সেইটো structure follow কৰা নাই, that's why this segment is wrong. Next question, The manager took him at task for his negligence. So ইয়াতে তোমাৰ idiomatic expression fault হৈছে. Okay. Took him at task কেতিয়াও নহয়. Took him to হয়. Took him to. Okay. Took him to মানে হ'ল কাৰোবাক criticize কৰা. Okay, criticize কৰা. তাৰমানে কি হ'ল মেনেজাৰটোই তাক ক্ৰিটিসাইজ কৰিছে ফৰ হিজ নেগলিজেন্স হি যে কাম ভালকে কৰা নাই হেতু কাৰণে তাক ক্ৰিটিসাইজ কৰিছে নাও এজ আই সেড ইডিয়ামছ তো আমি ইংলিশ গ্ৰামাৰ যেনেকে আছে তেনেকৈ ৰাখো হেতুত আমি প্ৰিপজিশনছ বোৰ চেঞ্জ নকৰো বাট ইয়াতে তোমাৰ প্ৰিপজিশনটো চেঞ্জ কৰি দিছে টুৰ পৰা এড কৰি দিছে সো ক্লিয়াৰলি এট টাস্ক ইজ the wrong segment. Okay, so the manager took him to task for his negligence. Etu hobo lagisil. Took him to mane hol karoba criticize kora. Okay, for his negligence. But at ase, so e karone at task is the wrong segment. Now next is he was unable to help me because he had been failed to arrange the money. This is very simple. First of all, sentence to context a whole past. Okay, past. Now see, here, had been failed ketia hoy jetia passive voice thakil hoy but the sentence to context to whole active voice ase so active voice ot simple ami past perfect hole been to nelekhu we don't write been we simple write had failed but at the been dise so this segment is wrong. Okay, so it to correct hobo lagisil correction to whole hoy he was unable to help me because he had failed to arrange the meeting but the been dise but it to active voice ase so been hobo na lage that's why this is the wrong segment. Next, he often persists to ask awkward questions at the board meetings. Now here prepositional fault ase. Okay, now see, he often persists to ask a segment to wrong segment hoy. Why? Persists or pisot ami hodai to nelekhi in likhu we write in. Okay, persists or pisot hodai appropriate preposition hol in persists in aru inor pisot jitu verb thake verb to ami ing form loi loi jao inor pisot verb is always in ing form so correct to whole hoy he often persists in asking awkward questions at the board meetings. Persists mane ki hodai board question repeatedly bare mane ki awkward question hudi thake meeting board. Okay, repeatedly persists in mane hetu. Okay, so persists in asking hoy persists to ketiao no hoy. Okay, persists in, so that's why this is the wrong segment. The next question, his son-in-laws have enhanced his business within a short period. Here you see son-in-laws. I think in the previous video my daughter-in-laws or kotha koisilu compound noun or fault to so compound noun or fault yateo korise compound noun jetia thake tetia ami jitu main noun hoy hetu he plural koru ei pisor khini ami plural nokoru so clearly this one is the wrong segment etu ki hobo lagisil his sons-in-law. Okay, next question, every curious child wants to rip open a toy. Okay. Every curious child wants to rip open a toy. Question options are say curious child, 2 rip open a toy, 3 every and 4 want to. Now see, every curious child ate every mane hol protitu child ro kotha individually koise eta koi one by one. Okay, every curious child mane every protitu bachchar kotha eta koi koise every ate hetu bujaise. Okay, সো এটা কৈ বুজাইছে মানে কি সিঙ্গুলার হল তো সিঙ্গুলাৰৰ লগত আমি সিঙ্গুলার ভার্ব ইউজ কৰো সিঙ্গুলার ওয়ান তোৰ সিঙ্গুলার ভার্ব কেনেকৈ বনাম আমি এইটো বাই পুটিং s এটা আমি s জয়েন কৰিব লাগে বাট এটা s জয়েন কৰা নাই সো 1 2 is the wrong segment okay It was the very well directed film and we enjoyed it. Options 1, the very well directed film, 2, no error, 3, and we enjoyed it, 4, it was. Ate tomar option correct option hobo A2, the very well directed film. Why? See, it was. It ase. It mane ki hol eta general ekhon filmer kotha koise. Okay, it was the very well directed film and we enjoyed ta mane it ase mane hol je hoyto bahut enoka films ase jibur well directed hoy but tare bhitor ekhon hoy aru okay so ami jetia generally mane enoka ta kotha kau je aru we know that there are many mane well directed films it ase mane you should know the bahut well directed films ase so tare majot ekhon hoy jikhon ami saisu aru enjoy korisu okay so it's a general saying so general ke ami kole we do not put the article to use no koro it was a use koro because we know je the use korile ki hobo je film okol ekhen well directed film okol hikhone ase but no hikhon tune there are many other films as well directed it ase mane hetu bujaise okay so that's why it was a very well directed film and not the very well directed film no hoy okay so this is the wrong segment Next question. If the economy fails, this year it reflect badly on the government. This year it reflect badly, 2, no error, 3 on the government, 4, the economy fails. So this is the wrong segment. Why? See, if the economic fails. See, first of all, this is a conditional sentence. Conditional sentence hole ki hoy? Tamane ki eta condition dise je jodi hai economy to fail hoy. Tetia hai government or upor etu beya ke reflect hobo. Okay that means what future okay future itu possibility bujaise right so future possibility bujale it should be what this year it will reflect badly okay it will reflect badly eta will hobo lagisil but will nai so that's why this is the correct segment means this is the wrong segment okay and this is the correct option to be chosen so conditional hoy conditional sentence hole je enuka je condition dia thaka je etu hole he etu hobo to know that the next part jitu possible action hoy hetu possible in possibility in the future to future tense ot hoy hetu hodai okay so yeah it was a surprising to receive the gift from my brother See, it was a surprising to receive the gift from my brother. First of all, adjective or agot ami a put no koro. Okay, we do not put a before adjective. Adjective or agot ami a put koriba parilu hoy. But tetia jodi adjective tur pisot eta noun thake. Like jodi enukwa hol hoy, it was a surprising event. Okay, it was a surprising event. Eta noun ase no? Eta noun ase. Hey, noun to kenekwa hetu describe koribo karone adjective to put koraise. So jodi adjective tur pisot eta noun thake right after the adjective tetia ami a put koribo paru adjective tur agot. But jodi noun to nathake tene hole adjective or agot ami a ketiao nilikhu. So yate swa surprising or pisot to noun nai. So a put kora to wrong. So this is the wrong segment. Next, the fisheries sector have grown significantly in the last 1 year. See, the fisheries sector have grown. Eta sector kotha koa goise. Okay, jodio fisheries, etu plural bhabibo para. Okay, that's a group of activities. But sector to eta no. Sector is one, singular. So one singular sector jehetu singular noun or pesat singular verb hobo lage. But yate to plural verb ase so have grown significantly to wrong segment. Okay, the fisheries sector has grown significantly holoy. Eta sector kotha hoise kuntu sector fisheries. Okay, bahut keta sectors or kotha koa nai. One sector. Singular noun or logot singular verb hobo not plural verb. my house is more spacious than my sister. See, first of all, comparison, as I said, hoday ami duta similar items plus enoko items jar similar qualities ase hetu logot koru. Yate comparison kar logot hoise swa my house. House tur comparison hoise ta then ase house tur comparison hoise sister er logot. Ghor tu eta tumar non living being, right, inanimate object, but sister is a person. To ghor tu sister er logot eku tu compare koriba para eku nai. So jodi enokwa hol hoy my house is more spacious than my sister's house, okay, or than the house of my sister, tetia sentence to write koba parilo hoy, but ate jihetu my sister ase, so this is the wrong segment. Okay, ami comparison hoday duta same bostur majot koro, he bostu dutar qualities nature same thakibo lagibo, tetia ami hetu compare kuru, otherwise comparison hetu heneke nohoy, wrong hoy. Okay, there is a very little time for them to prepare for the show. See, ate wrong segment hoy tumar eto. See, there is a very little time, little jitu heri hoy, first of all a little to usage bujai diu, little, there is a very little time. Okay, ami jetia there is little time likhu, okay, when we write little time, then that has a, you know, how do I explain, that has a negative connotation. Okay, jetia ami little likhu hetu eta negative connotation thake, mane hol je time ekebare nai, time nai, okay, no time, hardly any time, mane okay, hardly anything, মানে একো নাই আৰু নেগেটিভ এটু কনোটেশন থাকে। যেতিয়া এ লিটল থাকে তেতিয়া আমি বুঝো যে অকমান টাইম আছে, স্মল এমাউন্ট, ওকে, স্মল এমাউন্ট টাইম আছে, there is a little time, okay, okay, but there is a little there is a little time, there is a little amount of milk enake kole, okay, tamane ki tamane small amount, all of amount ase, to itu tumar positive connotation hoy itur, okay, okol little thakile to negative connotation, mane nai aru ekebare nai aru nuwa na thaka hisabe dhoribo pari, but a little thakile mane itu positive connotation ase, mane small amount ase, but ete tumar swa a ase very ase, a very ekeloge nohoy, okay, very little time hoy, very little time mane hol je bahut kom homoy ase, okay, extremely kom homoy ase, mane hetui almost tumar negative e bujay, but kiman kom mane bahute kom, okay, so very little is enough to understand je kiman homoy, je bahute kom homoy, tare agot aru ami a to nelekhu, so yate tumar wrong segment he karone a hobo, okay, there is a very little time, we don't write, there is very little time, mane extremely mane ami মানে ডিগ্রি টু বুঝাও কিমান কম সময়, ওকে। নেক্সট কোয়েশ্চন, ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্টস ফার্দার ইনফরমেশন সেন্ড হিম টু মি, ইয়াতে রং সেগমেন্ট হল ক্লিয়ারলি ফার্দার ইনফরমেশন, হোয়াই, সি ফার্দারে তোমার ফিজিক্যাল ডিস্টেন্স বুঝায়, ওকে, ফার্দারে তোমার বুঝায় ফিজিক্যাল ডিস্টেন্স, কিমান দূর, ফিজিক্যাল ডিস্টেন্স মানে রাস্তাটো কিমান দূর, ওকে, রাস্তাটো কিমান দূর, okay, farther distance, physical distance, but yate information er logot use kora hoise, okay, yate tumar farther nohoy further, f u e r t h e r, further, okay, not farther, further, further mane hol additional information, okay, additional mane eri hol je jodi tak aru information lage, aru besi information lage, tene hole tak mota send kore diba, okay, so farther o physical distance bujay, further ও তোমার physical বুঝায়, কিছুমান টার্মস ইউজ করবি যে ইটস a little further, আরো অলপ আগত যাব লাগিব, আরো অলপ, ওকে, হেনেকুৱা, বাট further is information এনেকুৱা টাইপ হেৰি যে আরো ইনফরমেশন লাগে, যদি if you want to know more, তো হেনেকুৱা হেৰি if you want more explanation, okay, he more jagat ami sometimes further likhi diu, further means additional, okay, so yate information otha koise mane aru information lage, etu context koise, so etu context ot ami yate F-U-R-T-H-E-R, further hobo, farther, so this is the wrong segment. Your eldest sister lives in a big city, does she? Etu question tag or as I said, jodi tumar sentence to jodi tumar affirmative thake pisor question tag to negative hoy, jodi sentence to negative thake pisor question tag to affirmative hoy. Yate your elder sister lives in a big city, lives affirmative ase, so etu tumar negative hobo lagisil, doesn't she, etu doesn't she hobo lagisil, but yate does she ase, so this is the wrong segment. Okay, so question tags is easy. Next, Sunil refused to attend the meeting of association on Saturday. 1, no error. 2, Sunil refused to. 3, of association on Saturday. 4, attend the meeting. 3 is the correct segment. Now, যেতিয়া আমি কিবা মিটিং এছ'চিয়েশ্যনে কিবা হেল্ড কৰা আমি মিটিঙৰ কথা কওঁ, তেতিয়া আমি meeting, Sunil refused to attend the meeting, refused to attend the association meeting. Ami association meeting bulli koba paru, nohole we can say meeting of an association koba paru, kiba ta association kiba ta organization e hetu meeting to held korise no, ami hoyto of an koba paru, nohole ami ba koba paru association meeting, an association meeting, but meeting of association noho ami. Okay, Sunil refused to attend the meeting of association. Sunil refused to attend the meeting of an association on Saturday. Of an association. And to 9, so this is the wrong segment. Okay, we don't say, mane, jetia ami organization e kiba ta organization e meeting to held korise bujao, to tare agot we always put an article of an association. But yate of association di thoi dise, so this is wrong. This hall is badly to need of repair. See, yateo idiomatic expression or fault ase. To need of ketiao nahoy, it's always in need of. In need of mane hol requirement. Okay, this hall is badly in need of repair hoy, mane ei hall tuk repairing or dorkar, requirement mane ki kiba something dorkari. Okay, so idiom to, as I said, ami ketiao preposition change no koru, yate ako to likhi dise, so in or jaga to likhi dise, so this is wrong. So the first segment is, sorry, badly to need is, second segment is the correct option, mane etu wrong segment hoy. So to need of nohoy, in need of hoy. In need of mane some requirement, require. Okay, kiba dorkari, kiba dorkar hua. Okay, so this is the last question. Paul was bited by a dog when he was a child. See, by a dog ase mane ki to passive voice. Passive voice ame ki koru, jitu verb thake, verb to past participle form jay, but yate bited bula word nai. Okay, it's bite, bit, bitten. Okay, bite is the simple bite to tumar simple present, tar pisot past hoy jay tumar simple past hoy jay bit, and past participle is bitten. So correct hobo lagisil Paul was bitten by a dog when he was a child, but bited by a dog ase, so this is the wrong segment. Okay, so this is it for this video. If you, I hope explanation to enough, and explanation to you can understand. I hope that is helpful, and this is it for today. Thank you. Have a good day.